Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka and you guys are watching Health Vibers. So today's videos are some of the dumb food habits which I have done in my life, and I want to tell you guys how I have done it. What are the things which you should consider while you are adopting any food habit in your life, and stay tuned till the end because there are some of the things which I wanted you guys not to see, but I have to share because these are the dumb food habits. So number one habit, which was my habit, it was a bad one, but still it was like eating everything or eating nothing. So when I started, what I do is in 1 month or 2 months, I will not eat any pizza, I will not eat any kulpas, or I will not eat any of my favorite foods which I love. Rather, I will keep noting everything down, and like after a month of time, when my Sunday comes, I will binge eat. Like I will have a whole big pizza, and then I will have all the golgappas, and then I will have momos, like every single food which was my favorite. Or if I'm traveling, that will be my escape from the diet which I'm following. So that is how you should not go for like everything or nothing attitude. You must change. Like now, this is the time you must change. It's not a good way to handle your body, your nourishment, your food. It's your body. I should respect mine, and I am telling you guys so that you can respect it too. The second mistake which I did was not eating a seasonal food. So the diet trends which are running nowadays, the things which we see on the media, the things which we see on the Instagram ads everywhere, is this: eat your broccoli, eat your quinoa, eat your any exotic foods like avocado. But the traditional roots which we have in India, the traditional things, I tend to diminish from my diet, which I also started drinking shakes rather than having my roti sabji, or drinking or having just a fancy soup rather than having my vegetables in the night. There were many number of mistakes, but excluding the seasonal diet was the biggest one because it lacked nutrition for my body, and I know that. The third mistake which I did was eating what's trending. So there were times when keto diet was very famous, where people quit all the carbs and they eat all the proteins, non-veg, anything. And there were also GM diet, wherein one day you have to follow vegetables, one day juices, one day fruits. There are millions types of diets which come on trending like after the other year, and people attracted towards it, similar to me. I also get attracted towards it, but that the amount of weight which I lose, I do lose it, but it backfire me double, triple to the amount I lost. That is what happened. If you don't find sustainable solutions to your problem rather than having a shortcut, those shortcuts you should avoid. You should never ever go towards the eating trends which run every year or the other. So the four dumb habits: don't bother about hunger cues. Okay, so if you are hungry at night and you are on a diet, so you don't eat any food, and then you eat very heavy food in the breakfast when you're not hungry. That is the routine which I started following because someone told me that in the morning you can eat very heavy and in the night you can eat very low. So it's not the correct methodology which you should follow, because food is food. Yes, we should eat light in a dinner, but then if you are not hungry in the morning, why would I stuff myself so much because I don't want to eat in the night as per the trends? The hunger cues should be satisfied. Like if you are feeling hungry, you should eat it, but you should also know where to stop. That is the role of the mind which you have to learn to mindfully eat that food. The best habit was this only, because in the lunchtime when I'm so hungry, I've already stuffed myself in the morning. How can I stuff myself more in the lunch? Because after so many work done during the daytime, I tend to get hungry more in the lunch and in the night. So I would have switched my diet according to my routine and act accordingly. But no, I followed that, and that was also one of my dumbest decisions. So the last one is my dumbest habit is the drinking water. Nowadays, everywhere I emphasize on drink water, drink your water, drink your water. And yes, let me just drink my water too. Okay, so drinking water is the main thing in any problem of your life related to your body, food habits, anything. So my dumbest decision was not drinking enough water, because I think that would also make me gain weight, and not drinking water at a proper time. So with your meal, if you are having 2 glasses of water, then that will hinder in your digestion process. Rather, you should drink water before a meal or half an hour after the meal, or you can try to avoid till the time you avoid and your food is digested, because the digestion is happening and it will get hindered if you start adding water in your digestive system. that was my dumbest decisions that I take, and I've already made a video regarding seasonal food, why you should eat it, what's its importance. You can check it out. I will link this in the information above. And thank you for watching my video. I hope that you don't make these dumb food decisions in your life which I made. That's why I made a video. Thank you. Bye bye.